Hello mga ka-toys! Welcome back for another toys unboxing and for today's video, okay, here's the Iron Man Mark 21 Midas ZD Toys release. Most of us as Iron Man collector saying that this is a alternative version only of Mark 7. Well, if you'll notice the image or the images ni Mark 21, talagang alternate version lang siya ni Mark 7. Colors lang siya. Yung pinagkaiba, yung colors lang na ginamit or yung paints. So, let's have a quick unboxing of this. Actually, nabili ko itong Mark 21 kay Ironworks. Yan, so email nyo na lang siya or PM nyo na lang siya for other available sets. Meron din siyang mga special feature. Nag-install ng LED light, and anything. PM nyo na lang si Mr. Brian Chu. So, ito yun. Ito yung sticker niya. So, let's go with the figure. Si ZD Toys, it's a authentic license talaga siya ni Marvel. So, if you will check this upper portion, yan, Infinity Saga, Marvel, and this is the logo of ZD Toys, a 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. And ito yung authentic na mark ng ZD Toys, ni hologram, stamp ni Disney, Mickey Mouse. So 21 in Roman numeral, Iron Man 3. Side by side, Zongdong Toy, let's go with the accessories muna. So, here's the second clamshell. So, nandito pa rin yung ano niya, yung design ng display base nila. So, walang pinagbago kasi same na siya ng sa Heartbreaker, Silver Centurion, 3 pairs of alternate hands, and as is, yung 4 repulsor effects and support stand. And may additional or bagong feature dito na accessories, which is ito. Sorry. So, ito yung special feature niya na accessories. So yan. On this set only, na nagkaroon ng ganitong accessories. So, ito yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya, sa set na to. So, let's go with the figure. Actually, bumili ako nito for a record. Nagkaroon tayo ng unboxing itong Mark 21 Midas. But eventually, customize ko siya kasi. So, kakailanganin ko yung upper torso nitong figure for the Mark 9 custom episode natin. So, stay tuned for that. Okay, here we go, the figure. My first impression on this figure, maganda yung paint job. Okay. May napansin lang ako dito na parang nasobrahan sa panel lining. So, sa head, okay, good siya. Ito yung head. Yung sa likod, panel lining agad. And all throughout of its body, talagang more on panel linings makikita ninyo. Unlike this sa mga unang ZD Toys figures, kulang sa panel lining. Some of the figures naman, okay yung sa panel lining. But on this figure, mukhang nasobrahan yata ng panel lining. Or dinaan sa panel lining. The figure is good. Maganda naman siya. Okay. Left. Right. And head, tilt, side by side, limited, up, down. Mukhang matigas na ito masyado. Ayun, so matigas yung articulation dito sa head. Hindi makapag-up, hindi makapag-down. So sa arms, okay, lift natin muna tong shoulder pads. Arm raise side by side. Okay. I guess meron din tong sa biceps swivel. Okay, good. Okay, on that double jointed elbow siya. Ganyan ka-deep yung articulation ng arms. Actually, mas maganda to sa Mark 7 na unang release. Mas maganda yung articulation niya. Twist. Okay, good. Yung crunch niya. Okay, limited. Back. Maganda yung pagkaka-detail din sa likod. Well, more on funny lining din. Overall, maganda yung paint job. Ang problema lang, nasobrahan lang talaga sa panel lining. Pull down. Okay, so may problem tayo doon. Nagkakaroon ng scratches. Okay, good. And limited in foot. Okay, here's the comparison of my custom Mark 21. First of all, yung custom Midas ko, inspired by the Hot Toys Iron Man Mark 21 20th Anniversary Edition. Every detailed ng figure na yun, kinapi ko as much as I can. Side by side with the ZD Toys release. Let's start with the head. So far, hindi naman siya nagkakalayo ng color sa ginamit ko. On its chest, gumamit ako ng Armored Komodo na Kurama Flare Gold. As well on thigh parts, chrome bronze naman ang ginamit ko dito. Well, I'm happy the outcome result of my Mark 21 customs. Side by side. Okay. At the back. And lastly, on their right side. So mga ka-toys, what you think? Which is better? My custom or the ZD Toys release? Mark 21 Midas. I guess, nakulangan lang ako sa panel lining. Hindi ako naglagay ng mga panel lining here, here, here. So, mga ka-toys, please stay tuned for my upcoming custom, the Mark 9. I will be using this upper body of Mark 21 ZD Toys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.